have seen this simple electric circuit in our earlier classes. Here, a 1.5 volt cell is connected to a small torch bulb. This is a complete circuit. That is, the electric current is flowing from the positive to the negative terminal of the cell and making the bulb glow. We know by convention that the direction of electric current is taken to be opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Electrons flow from the negative to the positive terminal. And electric current is actually defined as the flow of electrons only. But by convention, the direction of electric current is taken from positive to negative. So we will also follow this convention here. Now, if I were to tell you to draw this circuit on a piece of paper, then how will you do it? You will probably first draw a cell and a bulb and then the wires joining them. This is called pictorial circuit diagram as we are drawing pictures of each component. But sketching the cell and the bulb is tedious. However, there is a simpler way. Firstly, why do we need to draw an electric circuit on a paper? Well, it makes it easier to understand how electrical components are connected with each other and how the current is flowing through the circuit. But what are electrical components? In simple words, we say that these are the devices that are a part of a circuit. And these devices are connected to one another by electrical wires. Does it make any sense? Can you tell me the electrical components in this circuit? That's correct. There are only two components, an electric cell and a bulb. They both are connected with copper wires. To make our life easy, we use certain symbols to denote electrical components. It's so that we don't need to draw them. What are the different symbols? For a single 1.5 volt cell, we use this symbol. Two unequal vertical lines parallel to each other with a small gap between them. The bigger line represents the positive terminal of the cell, while the smaller vertical line represents the negative terminal of the cell. What about the bulb? What symbol is used to represent the bulb? This is the symbol which we use to represent any light bulb. W written upside down with a circle over it. Simple to draw it, right? And what about the little horizontal lines you see in both these symbols? Well, these are the lines that represent the wires extending from the two terminals of the components. It is mandatory to draw them even if there aren't any wires coming out from the component. In fact, any wire used in the circuit is represented by this symbol, which is simply a straight line. Here are the few more common electrical components and their symbols. You will learn about these devices in your higher grades. Notice the symbol used to denote an electrical switch. In fact, there are two symbols for the switch. This one is for the switch when it's on and the appliance is working, while this one is for the switch when it's off. So now can you draw the circuit diagram for this circuit using the symbols of each electrical component? We will see the circuit diagram for this as well as a few other simple circuits in our next video.